Good morning. Here we have my simple curly hair routine, smiling face.
Revolutionary guy let out the streets. Locked in the cage, I'ma let out the wake up, get out the sheets. We came for one man, forget that piece. You take the west side, take out the east. I'ma put them in the cage, never let out the
Hey black girl, welcome back to my channel. Love all.
The first is slick back with at Shop Ponyfly Hair Wax, Gold.
I've been on the road, I've been doing shows. Now we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor. We stillin' at the gas station when the time was cold. In the kitchen, hot still trying to flip it out the stove. Rockin' fake J's, praying that nobody know. Watch them take my dog away, it was way too hard to stay composed. Fight to see the light of day, all this blood on my clothes. I was tired every day, green light, it's time to go. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Die too young. 100 miles per hour, might crash.
Hi, tip for edges. If you have a hard time separating your edges, try applying some gel to them.
Red light, no way I'm coming back home. Long dirt road all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home.
Watch me try the skunk stripe. I like it enough to post, but not enough to wear outside the house. Would you try this? Hair products by at K. Ishak collection, including her strawberry edge control and Denman brush.
I see the bigger picture and it's way bigger than me. Can't be living like a king, but my people need to eat. If I got it, then you got it. We gon' get back on our feet, and I put it on me. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Or die too young. 100 miles per hour might crash, cause good die young. Yeah, but here I come. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home. Y'all coming back home. Y'all coming back home. I'm coming back home. Y'all coming back. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home.
Six.
Yeah, I'm shining bright, got me feeling like I'm next, so feeling like I'm Curry, how I'm balling on the West Wall. If you told me back then, oh, I never would've guessed, so now the way I'm winning, I might have to cut the net home. Yeah, I'm shining bright, got me feeling like I'm next, so feeling like I'm Curry, how I'm balling on the West Wall.
Do you want to transform with these cute hairstyles?
See the money, ayy. Now I'm popping, oh, they looking at me funny, ayy. I was in the rain, waiting for these sunny days. Made it through, you can tell me I don't love this, say. On my way to that show, told them pipe down, I don't need no hoes. I've been out with my bros, even back then I knew I'd grow. Now I'm knocking down these doors, they ain't keeping up when I switch these flows. They don't want no smoke, can't get hot, I can play so low. I've been trying to get it, told them I'ma run it up. Out on night, so I told them go and fill my cup. Now they texting, but back then they never show me love. They been hating since day one, dog, you looking sus. Now they switching sides, I can't mess with y'all. I could tell they ain't real, I can't get involved. Ooh, I seen them now, and they tryna call. Ooh, this summer's mine, but they tryna watch me fall. Yeah, I'm shining bright, got me feeling like I'm next, so feeling like I'm Curry, how I'm balling on the West Wall. If you told me back then, ooh, I never would've guessed, so now the way I'm winning, I might have to cut the net hole. Yeah, I'm shining bright, got me feeling like I'm next, so feeling like I'm Curry, how I'm balling on the West Wall. If you told me back then, ooh, I never would've guessed, so now the way I'm winning, I might have to cut the net hole. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, 다들 하질 뻔한 이야기. Her brain fried. My lady papa Zenny, other lady popping Molly. Why she waiting on me? 여긴 나의 area, 여긴 my area. Keep on heading if you want. I drive it like you know. I don't wanna hear you. 지겹잖아 이제 넌 like I'm Bango, cutting my hair. I just keep going though. 소신껏 날 믿고 I fly non-stop. Kelly에서 New York 구름 위로 hop on. Drive out and riding birds. Honeyberry counting cups. I do what I wanna do. 그게 나의 문의원. 너넨 꿈꾸지 말만 많지. Just do it. Like Nike, just do it. Get to know me and I 내 flow가 잡은 눈이 분위기는 chill. Fendi snakes on my belt. Yeah, I'm feeling first class. Yo, it don't cash flow. Ooh, pop it on my glass. Ooh, pop that pass. Ooh, smoke that gas. Cash play, blackjack. Monkeys on my pick. 100, 200, multiply. Dollar sounds my lullaby. Never sleep on me. Eyes on my chain, 숙여 너의 고개를 what you looking at fool. 너의 눈 허리 멍청했고 find your comfort from another yeah. I go low like undercover yeah. Wanna know my name 죽지 않은 일은 위에 부어버려 기름 guess. You can't even guess me cause I'm baby. High low로 확실해 not like maybe yeah. Level welcome to my palace. 찾지 않아 Alice. You just keep on wondering.
Look how hydrated, bouncy, and defined my curls are. Juicy, healthy, hydrated curls does not have to be expensive. I'm here to show you how you can ball in a budget and have really good hair. The kind of hair that people literally stop and how good it looks. The easiest way to spend the least amount of money on hair products but have the best hair possible is to purchase products that have dual uses. That would be things like cleanse and condition or hydrate and repair. That's why I love this curl cream from the Inky List. This is their Chia Seed Curl Defining Hair Treatment. This product targets your hair's bonds to help reduce, protect, and repair against breakage. But, and this is the dual purpose thing, it also adds so much hydration and life back into my curls. I take 3 pumps like this, and I just coat this over all of my hair. I'm not adding any other products to my hair, just the curl cream so I can show you guys the full results. I was not kidding, you guys. Here are the results with just the curl cream.
And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my sight. Just one looking at you, open up my eyes. And I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my sight. Hold out your hand, yeah. Every day you're with me when I think I can't stand, yeah. You got big things coming, part of your plan, yeah. Step up in your love, I say you're the one I want. The love that you were giving is salvation. You will keep me moving if I'm patient. I just wanna get right to the racing. You love me so I could have be complacent. Not afraid of the battles I've been facing. Nothing that you do is ever wasted. And you got the fire like I'm blazing. Cause I was trying to copy when I faced it. Just one looking at you, open up my eyes. And I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my sight. Just one looking at you, open up my eyes. And I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my sight.
Big mountain, what do I say? Them can never love you my way. You go low, then you go high. You go near, then you go far. You go round and round and round and round, round and round, round and round. But you're falling down and down and down. You just wanna go the distance. I promise you I'm what you're missing.
Hey girl, unfortunately there is no quick fix to getting your curls back. It is a long process and consistency is key. But if you stay consistent, you will get your curls back a lot faster than if you continue to use heat and you continue to dye your hair. I used heat on my hair every single day for 7 years, and when I did go natural, it took me about, I'd say 10 to 12 months to see really solid results, and even at that point, I still had heat damage. If you do a big chop, this speeds up the process, but ultimately, your best bet is to stop using heat, stop coloring your hair, and really put time and energy into getting your curls back. I hope that helps. Mungu nisho kama uyuni mke wangu
Do you guys like the hair tutorials on my channel? Please subscribe to the channel and comment below to let me know.